I think that we are quite, in Europe, we are probably the continent when we have today the biggest portfolio of vaccines working. Already 4 vaccines, hopefully soon 5. And that's, by the way, that's very important because we have seen that in the deployment of these vaccines, you have ups and down, which is unfortunately something that we see when we have such a ramping up of the industrial capacity. And by the way, we have seen this in Q1. It's true that AstraZeneca will miss, but Pfizer will do better, and at the end of the day, we will deliver what we said, roughly 100 million doses, what we said since the beginning. In the second quarter, I gave you the figures. We have, of course, many other vaccines on the planet, which is good, because I just remind you that for our perceptions, yes, definitely before the end of the summer, Europe will be vaccinated, US will be vaccinated, but altogether it will be only 10% of the population of the planet. So yes, we will need to do what has to be done outside, and of course mainly in Africa, but not only. So on these candidates, you have of course Sputnik. Sputnik is of course probably a good vaccine because I think Russians are pretty good scientists, and of course I would not have any reason to doubt. And by the way, they apply now to EMA to make sure that they could be able to have an agreement. We'll see. But this being said, what I could tell you on the ground is that, of course, there seems to have some difficulties today to manufacture this vaccine, and that's why we see a lot of requests to have some facilities in Europe to do it. So again, almost all our facilities today are used today to manufacture the vaccines that have been agreed. But one day or the other, I think yes, we should probably help Russia.